To use Nova on Photon, you'll need 3 essential components: a Photon account, the Nova bot, and a Telegram connection. As Nova requires a Telegram link to function, begin by visiting the nova.io website, specifically the Click Trade page, and download the Chrome extension. Add the extension to your Chrome browser. Then wait for it to install. Once installed, you can close the tab and proceed to connect your Telegram account. You can use either the Telegram web version or the downloadable desktop client. Click on the Connect Telegram option. Then wait a few seconds. You'll be given the choice to start the bot or open it in the web. Select the appropriate option based on your setup. If prompted, click Start to initiate the bot. After connecting Nova to your Telegram, you'll receive a greeting message. Next, access the menu and navigate to the Settings section. If you're not yet a registered Nova user, you'll be prompted to start your journey by clicking Start Again. You may need to join a queue, as Nova is described as the fastest Telegram bot in Solana. Click Join Queue and wait for access to be granted, which may take around an hour and a half. Once you've gained access, return to Photon and refresh the page. Locate the puzzle icon representing your Chrome extensions. Find the Nova extension and pin it for easier access. Click on the Nova bot, enable it, and refresh your Photon page. You'll now have access to various presets for selling, buying, and other functions. Save your settings and enable the Nova panel to complete the setup. Remember to proceed with caution, as trading cryptocurrency carries risks, and it's essential to take responsibility for your actions.